Hello, today in biology, we're looking at population by sampling method. Population is the total number of organisms of the same species which live at a given time in a particular habitat. Now, population sampling is the process of taking a subset of subjects that is representative of the entire population. That's taking parts of the sample to represent the entire population. That's population sampling. And the sample you have chosen must have sufficient size to warrant statistical analysis. Now, let's look at methods of sampling population samplings. Under this topic, we'll be considering three methods. We look at sampling by size, sampling by dominance, and sampling by density. Let's start with sampling by size. Population size. Population size is the number of individuals in a population. The number of individuals in a particular geographical area, that's population size. Factors responsible for population size include natality, that is birth rate, production of new individuals by birth, hatching, or germination. These are factors that could increase the population of a particular geographical area. Another sampling by size is immigration. Immigration is the movement of individuals from other countries into a particular region. That is the movement of people from a particular region to another region. That's immigration. When people move from a particular place into a different place, they are moving in immigration. When they are moving out, it's immigration. Whenever immigration rates exceeds immigration rates, the population size increases as more individuals move into an area than leave. That is when more people move in than the number of people that move out of a particular area, the population size increases. Now, another factor we're considering under population by size is immigration. Immigration describes individuals exiting the population. And one of the factors that can determine immigration rates is death. When there's a record of more deaths in a population, immigration rates increases. Now let's look at another factor, dispersion. Dispersion occurs when an individual organism leaves the space that they have occupied previously, or in which they were born and settled in a new area. That's dispersion. When an organism leaves the space where they were staying before, or the place where they were born, and move into a new place, settle into a new place, that's dispersion. The image on the screen is showing us the dispersion of this plant. This is a cotton plant, and the plant is moving away from its habitat, its previous habitat. It's moving to a different habitat. That's dispersion. It's a way of when these plants that are moving away from this region is decreasing the population rates in this region. Then when they are the region where they are moving into, they are increasing the population rates of that region. Another factor will also be considered. Okay, let's look at sampling by density. Density is the concentration of individuals of a species in a specific geographic locale. The concentration of individuals of a species in a specific geographic locale. The number of individuals in a particular geographic area, that's sampling by density. Now let's look at the other factor, which is sampling by dominance. Dominance means to be supreme, to have a supreme influence over others. The condition of being dominant, condition of exercising supremacy over others, or having the authority to influence or control. Now, species that have high abundance relative to other species in a community, and have proportionate effects on environmental conditions, community density, or the species that have abundance relative to other species in a community, that is dominance. When some species have more control or more influence over other species in that particular geographic area, that's sampling by dominance. The image of display is showing us a habitat. This habitat is representing plants. And so that some of the plants, there's a particular plant that is more obvious in this image. than the other plant species. That's the one that we are seeing more is a dominant plant, is dominant, the one that has taken control over the other plant species in this habitat. That's sampling by dominance. And the dominated plant is one increasing the population size. This has brought us to the end of this topic today on population by sampling method. Let us go over to the assessment session. Question number 1. What is population by sampling? State 2 methods of population samples. Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching and join us in our next video.